Chapter 11, Minitab Express. The activity includes 3 questions. Using the data in the textbook data set, answer these questions. Question 1. Create a rate for active primary care physicians using the 2012 population in each county, a rate for Social Security beneficiaries using the 2012 population, and a rate for public school expenditure using the 2012 population. Use a base number of 10,000 for active primary care physicians, a base number of 100 for Social Security beneficiaries and public school expenditures. To create a formula in a column, click on Data, Formula. I will use public school faculty and live births. I will divide each by the 2012 population, and I will use a base number of 1,000 for each calculation. So for public school expenditures, I'm going to type my expression in here, 1,000 times. Public school faculty are located in column C17, and I'm going to divide by the population, which is in C2. And I'm going to go ahead and name this while I'm here, and I'm going to name this the faculty rate. And then I will do the one for the live births, which is located in column C58. And I will also divide by the population variable in column C2. Question 2. Using the variables primary care physician rates and Social Security beneficiary rate from question 1, produce a histogram and a box plot for each variable. Experiment with creating additional displays. Which displays are most useful to include in a report summarizing these variables? Use the command graph, histogram or box plot, and select the variable. And I'll go ahead and do the faculty. And let's go back home and let's just display the output only right now. So there's the display of my faculty rate. I'll also go ahead and do the box plot. I can discuss the distribution, unimodal, bimodal, symmetry, skewness, gaps, outliers, unusual features. What can you see in the histogram that you cannot see in the box plot? What can you tell from the box plot that you cannot tell from the histogram? Notice the outliers are identified here. See below in question 3 for an alternative way to get the graphical displays. So for question 3, it says use the variable public school expenditure from question 1 and calculate the following statistical information. Mode, median, mean, minimum, max, range, first quartile, third quartile, IQR, and standard deviation. What do these statistics tell you about similarities and differences between the two distributions that are asked for in question 3? I will use the faculty rate I created in question 1. Use the command statistics, describe, descriptive statistics, select the variable, and then click on the desired statistics here in this window. And we wanted to do the mean, the median, the mode, standard deviation, the quartiles, the range. I've got all the ones that I asked for. And also notice on this you can also do a histogram and a box plot here, so you could also get the graphical displays for question 2 from this window here. So you'll be comparing the two distributions referred to in question 3 using the summary statistics. What will you look at? You can compare the centers of the distributions, the spread, etc.